Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Marathon Digital has formed a joint venture with 02 for immersion Bitcoin mining in the Middle East. CIFR Mining has bought miners from Canaan Inc., and Bit Digital has announced additional mining capacity. But just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder for you that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or even leave us a review. I also recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others. All of these will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Marathon Digital Holdings Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol MARA, and blockchain and digital assets infrastructure development company 02 have announced details surrounding the formation of a joint venture to establish the first large-scale immersion Bitcoin mining operations in the Middle East. Fred Thiel, Marathon's chairman and CEO, explains, quote, "Our collaboration with 02 is a pivotal moment for Marathon and one that is consistent with our ethos of operating at the forefront of the technology curve and developing innovative technology solutions to advance the Bitcoin mining industry. For this project, our team successfully co-developed and implemented a full immersion solution, as well as developed proprietary mining software from the ground up to provide flexibility, resilience, and optimization. In 02, we have found a valuable collaborator whose expertise in digital asset infrastructure development and whose relationships in the region are an optimal complement to our team's unique ability to build and implement innovative technologies. We look forward to working together to build the next generation Bitcoin mining facilities in Abu Dhabi." End quote. Next up for today, CIFR Mining Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as CIFR, has announced a joint agreement with Canaan Inc., trading on the Nasdaq as well under the ticker CAN, to purchase 11,000 of Canaan's new A1346 model mining machines to be delivered in the third quarter this year for use at CIFR's Odessa, Texas facility. This will bring CIFR's deployed fleet to more than 70,000 mining machines and 7.2 exahash per second of self-mining capacity across its portfolio. CIFR's CEO Tyler Page said, quote, "We are excited to formally begin our collaboration with Canaan, a pioneer in the ASIC high-performance computing chip industry. Over the past several months, our technology and operations teams have been working with Canaan to test its new generation mining machines on-site at Odessa. We are confident that Canaan's mining machines will be an excellent addition to our fleet, and we expect these mining machines to perform extremely well during the hot summer months in Texas." End quote. Lastly, for today, Bit Digital Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as BTBT, has finalized agreements for an aggregate of 14 megawatts of incremental hosting capacity to power its miners. One agreement is with CoinMint LLC to secure an additional 10 megawatts of hosting capacity, and the other is with Block Breakers Inc. for 4 megawatts of incremental hosting capacity. Sam Tabar, Bit Digital's CEO, said, quote, "We are pleased to expand our relationships with two top-tier hosting partners in CoinMint and Block Breakers. Geographic and counterparty diversification remains a key component of our hosting strategy, alongside building relationships with the most reliable and efficient partners. These agreements represent marked progress towards our objective of doubling our active hash rate in 2023. Furthermore, this growth is underpinned by sustainable energy sources and is an important step towards our goal for our mining operations to become entirely carbon-free." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol AP.